Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to see what else we have to offer you. This morning, in one of our Lexical Lab online classes, one of my students got chatting about the problems she had had as a parent during the lockdown caused by the coronavirus crisis. She lives in quite a remote rural part of her country, and she was complaining that very few of the teachers at her daughter's school are used to using Zoom or any other kind of online platform. Basically, they try to avoid it. When I asked why this was, she said, well, obviously they haven't had time to be trained, they're not used to using technology in their teaching, and so as a result they basically just can't get their heads round the way that it all works. If you say that you can't get your head round something, you mean that you can't understand it. It's too weird or strange or complicated for you. For example, you might have to fill in some online tax forms if you're self-employed, and you might complain to a friend that, oh, I just can't get my head round all of these forms. Recently, I ran into an old friend of mine and her new partner, who was another old friend of mine, and I was very surprised to see the two of them were now a couple. So I said, wow, you two are dating now. Okay, it's going to take me some time to get my head round this fact. It's going to take me some time to accept this, to understand this, to process this in my own mind. If you've enjoyed this video, click the like button, share it with friends, and in the comments section below, we'd love to hear examples of things that you can't get your head round, or things that have taken you some time to get your head round.